Today is my first day at a new school. My mother gave me this scarf. It is very special to me. Wow, this school is so big. I hope I make friends today.
Look, a new girl. She looks weak. Did you finish the math homework?
Yeah, it was so hard.
I know, right? Find another seat, new girl. I sit here.
Hi, more, baby.
Girl brings gross food. Hey, Rumi, where are you rushing off to? Yeah, the fun is just about to start. Seriously, move.
Thank you, Derpy. You are my only friend.
Oh, please. It is very special. My mother gave it to me. Give it to me. It looks better on me anyway. Find another seat, new girl.
We lost our jobs. We have to move.
Wow, you look amazing. Keep going. Ta-da!
Help students who are bullied. Wanna join? Leaving, Zoe. I can't stay here anymore. Oh, okay. Whatever. Rumi is my friend now. You are the one who is mean, Zoe.
I am so sorry. I was bullied too. I know how it feels now.
I did the same thing to Rumi. Now I know how she felt.
I forgive you. I don't want you to be lonely.
You are sharing with me? Thank you.
Thank you for changing me, Rumi.
Don't worry, sweetie. We'll help you.
There we are.
Thank you.